Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how we can create a map. So let's go ahead and go to mapinseconds.com. As you can see, as the website loads, I'll just tell you how it looks like. On the left side we'll have the map, and on the right side we'll have the stats. So that's how the map is going to look like, and that is how the stats are going to look like. So we have plenty of color options, and we have all the city and regions accordingly. I'm searching for India, and as you can see I get three options down there. And if you search for your country, probably you will get options depending on your country. And now as you can see, the map comes up, and these are just random stats, so you can go ahead and start changing the stats. So I'll just give you an example of it. So I'm changing for Madhya Pradesh, and it will be shown instantly. And all the regions are available. Most of the regions will be available. You can also copy the data from your spreadsheet. So just select everything, hit Ctrl C, and come to this website and select all the stats and hit Ctrl V there. So that way you can just copy paste your stats there, and it will draw the map for you. And you do not even have to put the country. It will automatically choose the country depending on your stats. So as you can see, I've downloaded the PNG format now, and I'll also be downloading the PPT format to show you how it looks like. So just a second. So the PPT format will comes in a proper PPT, and you can copy the slide and put it in any other slideshow. So that's how it looks like. And I'll also like to tell you that color options are available, and many examples are also given by default in the map. So in case you need help with that, you can also go ahead and do that. So as you can see, there are many color options given. And now I'll just try changing Republic. So as you can see, if something is written also, that can be changed. So now I'll just go ahead and do that, and instantly shown. See ya.